Even tell the story. Let me tell you about a girl I know. She likes the hole, she likes the pole. Most of all, she likes rock and roll. She's an LGB, curie, LGB, curie. She asked me if I wanted to dance, so I quickly checked for a run in her pants. She's an LGB, curie, LGB, curie.
She wants my husband's dick. She's an LGB, cutie, LGB, cutie.
Have to tease myself to pee, cause she used the same bathroom as me. She's an LGB, cutie, LGB, cutie.
It's you again. Oh, is it me? Oh, it is me. All right, hang on. Is it like she's confused? She just likes chicks and sometimes chicks. She's an
LGB, cutie, LGB, cutie. She's not a fan of gender scrambling. Tells her friends that she's just down. She's an LGB, cutie, LGB, cutie. She's got the cutest rainbow socks, but when she makes a fist, it's not to mock. She's an LGB, cutie, LGB, cutie.
When she says hello, you can tell she really means bye. Sometimes she will fuck a girl, then turn around and fuck a guy.
She's an LGB, cutie, LGB, cutie. She's got short hair, big boobs too. You know she drives a Subaru. She's an LGB, cutie, LGB, cutie. Oh yeah, she's got an okay face.
We took her back to our place.
She's an LGB, cutie, LGB, cutie. She likes the hole, she likes the pole. She taught us how to rock and roll. She's an LGB, cutie, LGB, cutie. She's an LGB, cutie. She's an LGB, cutie.
Yeah!
Thanks. That's the least fucked up we've ever done that song. So.
I agree. I zoned out.
Yeah, no, that's all right. I was gonna jump in, but I can't remember my next part until I hear your part. So I was just at that point in time. I was just as lost as you were.
Yes. All right, this one is, we're gonna do it, but
This is a
that's how
good
I feel
one.
about it.